Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine and spending good time at your home. As we are in the lockdown period and we can't go out, so here I, Miss Aarti Bhaskar, teacher of class 2, will help you through my videos. So dear students, I am going to teach you EVS. Okay, I am going to teach you EVS. Do you know the full form of EVS? Yes, exactly. It is Environmental Studies. It is Environmental Studies. The full form of EVS is Environmental Studies. In EVS, we study related environment and human beings. What we study? We study related to environment and human beings. So, I am going to introduce your EVS book. So class 2 students, this is your EVS book. That is Environmental Studies of class 2. The writer of the poem is Shalu, Singhal and Vijay Gupta, and this book is published under Progress Publications. Okay. And now turn the page, come to page number 4, contents are given on page number 4. There are 18 chapters, total number of chapter is 18, and here just you can see that, and the first theme is about me and chapter is me and my body. But before taking up something new, let's have a look what you had learnt in standard 1. So let's revise how to give introduction. Can you tell me what is introduction? Introduction means to tell something. Introduction means to tell something. Fine. What is introduction? Introduction means to tell something. So, dear students, here is a girl. Here is a girl. I'm going to draw. Here is a girl. Okay. Named Ritika. Okay. Here is a girl. Here is a picture of girl named Ritika. So children, be a good listener and listen what Ritika says. Hello friends, Hello friends, my name is Ritika Kumari. My birthday falls on 26 November 2020. I am 8 years old. My father's name is Ravi Kumar. My mother's name is Reena Kumari. Fine. So children, by hearing these girls' sentences, what we revised? We revised how to give our introduction. How to give our introduction, which you already had learnt in standard 1. Now, let's start with the first chapter of our book, that is, let's start with our first chapter, that is Me and My Body. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Me and my body. So this is your first chapter. All the students, those who are having books, please open page number 5, and those who are not having books, please parents note it down in the copy and keep it with you. Later you can fill it in the book. Fine. So students, sit with your textbooks, your notebook, pencil and eraser. Fine. So here page number 5. On page number 5, one box is given. Just see this box, and the question is, complete the given sentences to introduce yourself. Fine. You have to introduce yourself by filling the sentences given in the box. So first, what you have to see? In this box, incomplete sentences are given. You have to fill these sentences with your details. Here, the first thing what you have to do, in this star, you have to paste your photo, recent passport size photo, and after that sentences are given. You have to fill all the sentences. So I am writing on the board, and students, please write it or note it in your book or in the notebook. Fine. So the first sentence is, my name is. First sentence, my name is. You have to write your name. You have to write your name in this blank. Second sentence, I am a boy or girl. You have to, if you are a boy, you can tick here. If you are a girl, you can tick on the option of girl. Now third sentence, my birthday falls on falls on. You have to write your date of birth. Now fourth, I am now. How many years old? You have to write the years. How many years old? You have to write it here. And the fifth sentence is I am dash centimeter tall. You have to write your height. And my weight is dash kgs. These are the 5 sentences. More are there. First, again I am going to repeat this. You have to write in the first statement, my name is your name. I am a boy. If you're a boy, you can take on the boy option. If you're not a boy, girl, then girl option. After that third sentence, my birthday falls on your date of birth. And fourth, I am now. How many old you are? Okay. So here you have to write your how many years old you are. That you have to write. I am, your height and your weight. After that, the next sentence. Sixth. Sixth is I study in. I study in. You have to write your school's name. Fine. Seventh. I am in class. You are in which class now? You are in second class. So you have to write your class. Eighth sentence. I live at the address where you are living. You have to write here. Ninth. My father's name is. My father's name is. You have to write your father's name. 10th. My mother's name is. You have to write your mother's name. And the last sentence is my phone number is. If you are having any phone number, you can write the phone number of yours in the given space. My phone number is. So like this you have to fill all the sentences given on page number 5. The 6 sentences I study in. You have to write your school's name. Now 7, I am in class. In which class you are studying? You are in. You have to write that standard. 8, I live at. You have to write down the address of your home, house, or 9, my father's name. You have to write your father's name. 10th sentence, you have to write your mother's name. And the 11th one, you have to write your phone number. Now, this is clear? Is this clear? Again, I am telling you, parents, please help your child to write or to complete all the sentences which I have given now. Okay, fine. After filling this, come to page number 6. Okay, turn the page and come to page number 6. And on page number 6, the topic is. What is the first topic given here? That is similar and different. This is the topic of page number 6 which is given. Now students, I am going to read this paragraph which is given on page number 6. So listen carefully, okay? I am am like other children, yet different in many ways. My features make me different from others, like my face, my eyes, my ears, my nose and chin set me apart from others. Even the color of the hair and skin is different from others. This is a paragraph in your book. Now children, if you look around, right? If you look around, you can find we all are same. You will find that we all are same, yet different in many ways. Different in many ways, it means we human beings are same. If two girls are there, okay, both are girls, this is a similarity. And what makes them different? Features. Okay. Features makes them different. That is, by the face they are different, nose, ears, color of the skin, hair. Okay, so these makes different from others. For example, if you find a fat person, a thin person and a person with dark complexion, never make fun of them, because each one is very special. We have talents inside us, okay, we have talents inside us, so don't make fun of them. Now tell me, what is the meaning of special? Special means not ordinary. Special means here, special means not ordinary. Okay, so this is the paragraph given in your book. This is the first paragraph, similar and different. Now, the second paragraph is, the topic is likes and dislikes. Likes and dislikes. Okay, so in your book, one line is given and after that one box is given. In this box you have to fill your likes and your friend likes. Fine. So all of us have likes and dislikes. Read and complete each sentence. Like. It is not necessary what you like. Your friends also like the same thing? No. If you like to eat mango, maybe your friend likes eat banana. Fine. So no, all of us have different types of likes and dislikes. In the same way, you have to fill this box. And this box, first sentence is going to write, students, again ready with your pencil and fill your book with the help of your parents. I am going to giving the answer on the writing on the board and please note it down carefully. Fine. The first sentence is, I like to eat mango, but my friend like banana. Second sentence, I like to drink milk, but my friend likes juice. 1 and 2. 2 sentences we have done. Now, third, and all have written? Fine. Now come to the third sentence. I like to play. I like to play football. But my friend likes cricket. Now, fourth one. I like to wear jeans but my friends like shorts. Fine. So 4 sentences we have done. Now the last sentence is I like to watch cartoons or cartoon and my friend likes movies. This is the last. This is the 5th. Here we have completed this box. Again going to say the answer. Please check it. The first answer is I like to eat mango but my friend likes banana. Second, I like to drink milk but my friend likes juice. Third, I like to play football but my friend likes cricket. Fourth, I like to wear jeans but my friend likes shorts. And fifth, I like to watch cartoon but my friend likes movie. So this box also we have completed. Fine. Now after this